Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this channel I will be taking you through the introduction to Microsoft Excel. So in this introduction I will show you how you can open up your Microsoft Excel. So not to waste time, on your computer we have, on your desktop we have what we call a start button, which is represented by the blue color. So this is our start button. So you click start button. After, you come and search Excel, Microsoft Excel. So actually the apps will automatically display onto your desktop. Then you open Microsoft Excel. As you can see, you come to new. Now from here, from new, we have what we call a blank workbook, where you will manipulate all your data, and like if you want to process your result of a certain class, so we use this workbook to enter your items you want to deal with. So we open a blank workbook. So after opening, you find here that some features that helps in editing your work and other items that you may want to use with in Excel. Now Excel has some features. For example, this feature that you are seeing denoted by a figure or a number 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are what we call a column. These are a column. This feature coming down is a column, and the one which is denoted by alphabetical letters A, B, C, D, E, F, these are what we call rows. So now where the rows and the column meet, like here, a row B meeting with a column 3, this one is what we call a cell, and its code is having a general name of cell reference. So where a row and column meets is what we call a cell, and it's also called a cell reference. Now we have what we call active cell. Active cell is the one which is bold, a bold line with this blue color, with this green color, I mean, is what we call active cell. While these other cells you're seeing here, these cells they are not active cell because they are not having a bold line. Now we have also what we call a formula bar. A formula bar, this is where you can enter your values, or it contains your value. I mean, this contains your value. In any calculation that you make in Excel, you use formula bar to calculate your figures. So this is what we call formula bar. Now we have also what we call a worksheet. A worksheet is a collection of columns. So if, as you can see, column 1 2 3 4 up to 22, this is what we call a worksheet. Also here we have 1 2 3 4 up to 22 is what we call a worksheet. Now this collection of columns has made a worksheet 1. So if you want to add a worksheet, you come to new sheets. So this plus sign is what we call new sheet. So you tap here, then it will automatically add for you a worksheet. A worksheet where you can, after finishing working in a certain worksheet, so you open another worksheet so that you can manipulate your data in it. So if you want to delete a worksheet, so you click it once, then you delete a worksheet. So you see, as you see, worksheet 2 has been now deleted. Now we have also what we call a workbook. A workbook is a collection of worksheet. So a collection of worksheets. Now we have worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3. So all this one here will make what we call a workbook. As you can see, it makes what we call a workbook. So that is some other features that are found in the Microsoft Excel. Now if you want like to insert a column or to insert a row, for example, like if you want to grade a certain subject, so meaning you have to insert a column or a row. For example, for a row is like if you want to insert name of subject, and for a column, if you like want to grade a certain subject. Let's demonstrate it here. Let me demonstrate it for you. So for example, I can type the name of pupils. For example, we have Okot. Then we have Patrick. We have Innocent. We have Dennis. We have also another pupil. Maybe we can say it's Betty. So these are names of pupils. Now if you want to insert a row up so that you write on top to be a name, so you come to this column 1, you click, so it will show for you a gray light. This gray light, if it has shown for you this gray light, you come to insert, which is right here. So we are going to insert a row, so we click. You see that automatically a row is created here where you can type now name. So these become names of pupils. Now you can even type subject, for in case for a subject like maths, SST, English, science. So this is how you can insert your rows. Now I told you before that if you want like to grade one of the subject from here, meaning again you have to insert what we call a column. So to insert a column, you come here, so you tap, it will show for you a gray light. Then you come again to insert column. You see automatically a column is inserted. Now here you can grade, where you can grade your subject. You can grade your subject for mathematics. So you can grade your subject here, like assuming they have students have performed very well and they have 90s, 71, 80s, 60s, and 5 with 8. So you can grade here after inserting this column. Here you can grade your subject. So basically that is how I can introduce you to Excel. So after manipulating all your data, you have to save your document. So you come to File. After File, you come to Save As. Is PC. Then here you can save this at Introduction. Introduction to Excel. So then you come to Excel work. Come to Save As. Come to Save. And okay, meaning you have already saved your work. See, and here they will say Introduction to Excel saved. So thank you for watching. This is my channel, so I advise you to subscribe in the next video, where I will take you through how you can calculate in Excel. So thank you for watching.